How to install older versions of any app on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can install older versions of any application on Android. So let's get started. Now whenever you install the application from Google Play Store, suppose you open the Google Play Store and search for any of the application that you would like to download. For example, I would like to download the Instagram. Here in Play Store, you will be able to find only the latest version of application. But if you wish to download the older version of any application on Android, now all you have to do is open up any browser in your device. For example, I have Chrome application or Chrome browser, and once you open it up in the search bar, search for Uptodown. So from this link, you will be able to download the older version of any application. Now tap on the first link that says en.uptodown.com. Now you will land on the official web page of Uptodown. Now from here you have to simply search for the application from the search icon at the top right corner. Now search for the application that you would like to download. For example, I would like to download the older version of Instagram, so search for Instagram. After you search for it, if you scroll down a bit, there is a two option. It says get the latest version or the older version. From there, tap on older version. After that, again scroll down a bit, and on your interface, you will be able to view all the versions of Instagram. So you can choose any one from here. These are all the older version of Instagram application available. So this is the way to install the older version of any application on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.